VERV stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute VERV stock analysis video till the end, find out. Generally looking at Verve Therapeutics. Yeah, it's Verve. I call it Verve. Who cares? It's actually a great market cap stock. Like it's 660 million. So that's something. I haven't made a video on this in like a while, but it seems like it's really having this like cup and handle pattern. You know, the handle is not forming yet, but honestly, I'm not even moving like that. I'm using my edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything. So like I've seen what's worked for me in my way, like my approach of trading. And ultimately speaking, I'm looking for longs for sure. It's not going to be like your immediate long or anything, but like I must see little retracements and then I'm open to that long side. But other than that, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Click information part here. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.